realizing not everybody has access to a power drill and a $30 hole saw. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with a couple kitchen utensils to put holes in your Kratky containers. Then we're going to mix some nutrients and plant something. And by the end of this video, you'll quickly realize how cheap and easy it is to grow your own food. Let's get to it. First off, you're going to need a can opener. You're going to take off both ends of this tomato paste can. Then, using a butter knife, we're going to remove the label. And now for the tongs. By upcycling and reusing old plastic containers, it helps the environment. It's also a great way to get started gardening on a budget. So before we plant something, let's talk about some nutrients. This is Master Blend, the tomato formula. And no, I am not sponsored by Master Blend. It's the nutrients that I believe in and been using for years. There are many different brands of hydroponic nutrients on the market, but I believe Master Blend is the cheapest, easiest to use, and my plants love it. You can get these online, and they come in a 3-part kit. Very inexpensive, and they last a long time. Now let's mix some nutrients. This is 5 gallons of water that I let sit for 24 hours. We're gonna mix it at quarter strength to make sure that we don't burn the seedlings. Now that we're done mixing our nutrients, we can add it to our container. Okay folks, because this container is clear, I'm just gonna cover it with some tin foil using some masking tape. If you would like to watch the progress of this lettuce in a container, catch the Monday update garden videos. I do upload a garden update video every Monday. By all means, folks, if you have a nice sunny window, you can set this in a window and watch it grow. My channel is dedicated to inspire more people to grow food at home. So please watch another video. And thanks for watching.